The iPhone 16 lineup has arrived. These are Apple's latest phones that are bringing a couple changes to the iPhone lineup. We are seeing phones built around Apple Intelligence, Apple's AI system, plus a new camera feature. Let's unbox all the models, starting with the iPhone 16. This color is called Ultramarine, and in person, it looks so sharp. So this one could be my favorite color of all of the iPhones in the lineup right now. When you open up the box, you will find the braided USB-C cable, as well as a SIM card removal tool, plus all the product documentation that you need. For iPhone 16, this phone comes with a 6.1-inch display, and the back has a stronger ceramic shield material for a more durable phone. So the big difference with all phones in the iPhone 16 lineup is a new feature called Camera Control. That touch-sensitive surface allows you to pull up different functions during photo and video taking with the iPhone 16s, which is very cool. iPhone 16 has the A18 chip in there, which should be great for battery life and some more advanced processing, including all the stuff that'll be going on in the background related to Apple Intelligence. Let's move on now to iPhone 16 Plus. This is in pink, which also does look really good in person. Another change you might notice on iPhone 16 compared to previous models is the placement of the cameras, and that has to do with the ability now to capture spatial photo and video so you can watch things back in Apple Vision Pro. The batteries in iPhone 16 are larger and will run more efficiently because of the A18 chip. In my testing so far, it was no problem to get through a full day and not worry about running out of battery. On all 16 models, you'll see that the camera module has a bit of a deeper saturation to complement the color around the phone, and it looks really nice. And just for fun, I'm going to bring the iPhone 15 from last year. This is also the pink version, but you can see that it's much more muted pink from the iPhone 15 going to the more saturated 16, and it looks really sharp. I think for most people's daily use, iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Plus will be perfectly sufficient for everything that you could throw at it, but since I've got the Pro models, let's unbox those as well. We'll start with iPhone 16 Pro in natural titanium. This is the same finish that we saw from last year, but the camera array, even though it looks similar, has a few better functions with the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, on the Pro, you can get 5x zoom, something that was previously only available on the Pro Max. Of course, you also have the same camera control to tap into those advanced camera features, which allow you to record in 4K at 120 frames per second on the Pro model iPhone 16s. Now let's take a look at the brand new color that made its way to the iPhone 16 Pro lineup, Desert Titanium. One feature that's been really interesting to see how good it is in person with my testing of the Pro models is the new microphones. There is a 4-microphone system in there, and it is so good at capturing dialogue and voices while isolating them from background noise. But there's this cool audio mixing feature that allows you to bring in more of the background noise. It is a very powerful phone for content creators. That was my quick unboxing of 4 of the different iPhone models. What do you think of the new iPhone 16 lineup? Hit me up in the comments with your questions and thoughts.